I have here chicken marinated and roasted in rosemary garlic olive oil with lemons. Hey there, we are here today to talk about rosemary garlic oil. This is one of those incredibly versatile products that we make and sell, available to you. You can substitute rosemary garlic oil for any time that you would use oil or butter. You can drizzle it over steak or meat once it's already cooked, or you can marinate with it. So that's what we're doing today. We have some chicken that's been marinating overnight. I threw some lemon wedges in it just to give a little bit of acid to it, help the meat tenderize and suck up all the flavor. And then I'm also going to toss the rosemary garlic oil in with some vegetables. I'm going to slice them up and we'll roast them up in the oven so that the flavor's all there. So I have acorn squash. I also grabbed a bag of little tiny potatoes. I've got a few little purple Peruvian. For the ones that were slightly bigger, slit them in half just to give them more surface space to absorb the goodness. Here's my jar of rosemary garlic olive oil that I'm in a good shake. I'm going to drizzle a little bit on the potatoes. I'm going to toss the potatoes in the rosemary garlic oil. Got some cauliflower, acorn squash, and potato medley. All of our vegetables are prepped, so we're ready to go into the oven. Okay. Oh man, that looks really lovely, doesn't it? I set the timer for 20 minutes, so I'm going to do 20 and then check them, flip them, move things around. Probably another 20. We're gonna start it on the chicken now. We're gonna go over to the stove and pop it in the pot, brown it up. I'm gonna pour some of the oil into the pan. In we go. I'm gonna hold on and add everything else that's left in here into these two and then pop it in the oven. This is exactly where we want it to be. Spread up. You know what? I'm not really gonna. That's it. I'm done. I'm not doing much more. I don't want to touch it or turn it around too much. Come close and take a look. So the pieces like the breast, all of that are still in a raw state. So it's really going to be important that we pop it in the oven. Definitely not there. The legs look great though. Caramelization is great. So we basically rendered off a bunch of the fat. Now I'm going to add in the lemon. Really great smells. The acorn squash is done. The potatoes are done. I'm going to pull these guys out so we can put our chicken in. Cauliflower leaves probably another 5 minutes. Chicken in. Chicken's in at 425 for 20 minutes. We're going to check it, maybe do a little rotation, take the lid off, another 20. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this looks perfect. So now we're going to take the lid off and let it brown up. Set the timer. Chicken's totally perfect and moist. It's just where I want it to be. So the lemon looks really good, all jammy. Oh, man, they look great. It slipped over a thigh. Wow. This looks really good. It smells fantastic. This tastes great. Moist, a little lemony, a little rosemary, great garlic flavor. Buon appetito.